Okay geng, sekarang ni aku dekat hotel dekat Barcelona for Andalusian event. So, you see? Ini aku sebagai Xiaomi fans. So, untuk tengoklah apa produk baru yang Xiaomi nak launch dan juga tunjuk dekat NWC Barcelona tahun ni. So, jom kita gerak dulu. Let's go. Pow. So, kita akan naik bas untuk ke NWC. So, ya. Tengah sejuk kawan. Hello. So, ya. Bye bye. Hi. Hi. Okay, sekarang ni kita dekat entrance. Tak pasti kat mana ni, but orang kata dah sampai kan dekat LWC. So, you have to see lah. And yeah, everyone is here. Look at that. But kita masuk dalam, baru kita tengok apa yang baru daripada apa dia orang boleh offer lah kat LWC ni. Let's go. So, itulah dia bangunan NWC tu. Yeah, we heading there. We see lah apa yang menarik dekat sana. Nak sampai je dah kaki dia, kejap je pun, berapa minit je daripada bas. Cepat sekarang ni jalan kat sini agak jam sebab banyak kereta. Most likely disebabkan NWC juga orang pergi kerja lah. So itu dia NWC punya ni, yang nampak tu besar, but yeah, belakang tu Xiaomi fans yang lain yang tengah buat vlog ke, ambil gambar. But yeah, let's get into it. So kita dapat lah kita punya NWC punya reservation. Partner staff ni aku tak tahulah what it's for, but rasa most likely akan guna sekejap lagi lah bila kat dalam tu. So ni adalah NWC. You can see yourself. Atas tu ada dia begini. Kita tanya orang-orang kat sini. Bro, are you excited?
Yeah, very excited.
Hell yeah, bro.
Amazing.
Look at that. Dekat dalam lah. So ya, sebit panas sikit. Tadi sejuk gila kat luar. And yeah, saya jalan dulu. So tengok atas bawah-bawah kongres MWC. Let's get going. So kita dekat airdrop yang patung. It's really cute. Ramai orang nak ambil gambar ni, sedang kacau.
If you don't mind, I can take it again.
Look at that. I think we can get something there, macam kad. Let's get it dulu.
I got them all.
Good job. What is that?
This is a map with all of the stamps that are giving different pins.
Ooh,
And
that's so
here
cool.
you have all of the collection.
That's so cool. It's only for the people who collect. Thank you. And the green ones for the first day. So kita dapat map and also this keychain yang comel. Kinda nice kan keychain lah, macam badge. Kat sini ada map, aku boleh claim macam-macam. So kita akan cari tengok apa benda lagi. So sekarang kita dekat outdoor area. Agak terang agak lah sebab matahari baru naik, sebab baru pukul 12 macam tu. Oh yeah, ada banyak tempat makan, tapi sekarang ni bulan puasa, so that is pointless. Looks pretty nice though, food dekat sini, but itulah, malang sekali tak boleh makan, kita puasa. So jom kita masuk dalam. Sekarang kita dekat Xiaomi booth, jalan dulu. Ya, kat dalam ni. So kat situ ada dia punya kereta baru lah, Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. Kat sini ada juga lah produk-produk dia orang launch macam-macam lah, daripada smartphone and ada things lah. So pergi jalan dulu ikut dia orang ni sebab sekejap lagi benda boleh tengok balik. So yeah. So basically aku dapat ni kat telinga aku ni. So diorang akan cakap aku boleh dengar lah untuk buat mission apa-apa kat sini, which is pretty nice, pretty cool. Aku rasa macam Bangla awak dia kan pakai benda ni kan. So ni dia SU7 Max, the biggest one. Tengok tu. Alright. Tarik jauh lagi. Oh, dia kata dia.
You can do some.
Actually, here pass your phone to the screen.
Ooh.
Yes. So you can swipe it here or here. It will do.
So is the car?
So
Show
you
me
can
back.
just put your phone here. We won't be needing it. And we do have applications on phones. Let's say Google Maps. After you open it, you can press this button. And actually, the Google Map is pinned on the homepage. So you can, to do all those navigations here. And it's the same logic as the phone. And also you can adjust the positions or resize it as you want.
So sekarang ni kita dekat bahagian ni Xiaomi modular optical systemnya ni, dia orang punya prototype camera system dengan smartphone. Pretty interesting, saya ingin tunjuk korang. But bagi aku ni ada benda yang paling menarik lah kat sini, in my opinion lah. Tapi aku akan tunjuk korang produk baru Xiaomi macam Xiaomi Pad and other things. But for now, tunggu benda ni dulu. Alright. So juga ni basically dia lebih kurang macam dia ada magnetic kat belakang tu, dia cucuk je, dia cucuk lah, letak je dia punya lens tu, and bam, boleh pakai. Menarik kan? Tapi kita try tengok macam ni tadi.
Modular optical system. Okay? It's possible to connect with the 15, Xiaomi 15, with the Xiaomi laser link communication. It's this, and 2 pin for the battery. Okay? It's magnetic. Okay? It's very strong. Okay? And open the camera. In this moment, the main camera of the phone. But press this touch and switch with the modular camera. And it's possible to promote and over to 1.4 to 11 for more light and the focus, autofocus or main focus and focus.
Inilah dia punya phone. Di phone dia 50, Xiaomi 50 dan juga dia punya lens. So basically dia sambung macam ni je. And boom. Boleh guna. So basically dia buka kamera dia dan tekan. And you can use it. Take example. Okay. Boleh guna untuk portrait. Something like pro lah, kalau nak main pro. Just play around with the aperture. So see the bokeh. Dia main gambar. Super sharp. Take picture of her. Ambil gambar dia. So ni. Ready, 1, 2, 3. So the photo. Macam DSLR. Like look at that. Look at that details. The light. Wait, why can't? Oh yeah, this. Wait. Try again. Sharp gila tu. So yeah. Look at that. Nak cabut pun. Dia nyepi kat sana. Alright. Sekarang ni kita dekat ni Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro punya ni. Tengok macam mana. So looks pretty nice. Okay, Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Really powerful. Baik, aku nanti aku akan buat review kat YouTube, so korang stay tuned for that video lah. But overall looks nice actually. So inilah versi yang mate-nya yang aku looking forward. So basically macam korang tahu, dia punya screen ni screen mate, so dia lagi bagus lah daripada yang your normal AMOLED yang screen jenis clear tu. But this one mate, dia tak ada glaring issue but really nice lah. So stay tuned kalau aku dapat review ni. So that's something for you guys lah, obviously. Okay guys, sekarang kita dah habis MWC. Dapat free kereta, nanti aku buka unbox lagi. But yeah, everything's pretty good, just like the opposite hand. So tak ada mood sangat lah. So we're going back to our hotel with my brother.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Back to Malaysia.
Okay, alright, bye.